Hey everybody, so we have a haul today, mostly fresh stuff, but a few things to replace something I either opened or have used, you know, that sort of stuff. So I will start with what's up front, and I got some Sylvia's Great Green Seasoning, some Sylvia's Secret Seasoning, and some Soulful Seasoned Salt. So I've only used her Great Green Seasoning, but I thought I'd try the other ones. Wanted to add to the seasoning stash. I got some skin tag remover for the medical preps, so if you have anybody that's prone to or whatever, and it also removes moles if I read correctly. So, and doctors use this from the reviews I read and stuff, so I got that. I got a blood pressure monitor that goes on your wrist. My husband said ours wasn't accurate, needs to be calibrated or something like that. I don't know how you go about doing that. So Wayfair had these on sale, so I picked this up. I got some coconut sugar, got some vitamin E oil, and some unrefined shea butter, and I don't know where I set the beeswax, but I got some organic beeswax, and that's to make my own salves and things like that for us and our dogs if need be, because you know our healthcare system is collapsing, so that's not good. I got some shoe goo because I did open one of these to fix a pair of slippers that I washed. The rubber came away from the shoe, so I wanted to put a new one back on the shelf. You want to have your repair kits. I'm going to use everything until it cannot be used any longer. I got some cabbage. That'll be going on the dehydrator. I got 2 lemons. I got 2 yellow squash. 2 zucchinis. And if you've never done it before, you cook these with some tomato, onion, jalapeno, salt, pepper, garlic, and it's really yummy. A Hispanic lady at the farmer's market told me that recipe. Some free-range eggs, some baby spinach, some blueberries, some strawberries, and these all look really good. No molds or anything like that. I got some Ugly's salt and vinegar kettle chips. I like to snack on these because they keep me from snacking on too many. And these are full up to there. So you can always do that with your packages and see how full they are before you buy them. I got 3 heads of garlic. I got a few more of my favorite Japanese sweet potatoes. Those are kind of dinky, but they will do. A bag of avocados, a bag of red onions. My husband finished his Tillamook smoked sausages, so I got him these. They look a little different. These are the pepper. He said as long as they're not teriyaki. And then to put in my canning pantry, the pickling spice. I've been making a boatload of pickles. Some peaches, And these are green, so they won't be ripe for a minute. And some grapes to make some chicken salad. It's been cooler, and it was a steady, slow rain all day yesterday. We needed it, so that was good. I've got garlic and onion that I wanted for my salsa. I got bell peppers out of the garden, so I'm going to make some salsas. I have a few tomatoes accumulating, so might as well get that started. Since there's a tomato shortage, don't want any tomato to go to waste. So anyways, I have some stories I will post down below on some current events going on. There were so many, I can't remember what I was going to post down there. But yeah, there's a lot going on in the world. So I would highly recommend you continue to store up little by little. Get what you can when you're getting your regular groceries. Just buy a few extra things if you can. If you find something on sale like this, I think you should have your blood pressure cuffs, your oxygen meters, things like that on hand just in case, because things are getting kind of wackadoodle in the medical industry. So anyways, you all take care. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and hopefully it's cooling off where you're at for a minute. And I will see you all in the next video.